Hi friends, welcome back. This is unboxing and quick review video of AstrHori 50mm f2, and this is a L-mount lens that I ordered through a popular store in US. It's widely available in multiple countries at several stores including Amazon, and this is a 50mm f2.0 lens, though it starts at f1.6 approximately. The marking is given starting from f2.0. It's more sharper at f2.8, and it's even sharper and can be widely used in the daytime for f4. And f2.0 can be usable as well during the low light. This is a made in China lens, and it is manual focus only, and it does work quite well. This is a small leaflet. This QC passed logo also given, and this is the lens itself. Let's remove the wrapper, and this is well built. It has a metal build, unlike some cheaper lenses having only plastic, but this has got good metal build and weighs 310 grams. The aperture markings and focal length markings are given. This has got good front and rear caps as well. AstrHori logo you can see. The glass is quite clean, and it takes 52 mm thread, so filters or anything we can use of 52 mm. This is the L mount. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.